Konnichiwa, Kuniko desu. Hello. Let's make origami elephant. Get the square piece of paper and somewhere the size between 6 and 12 inches will work. What I got is a 10 inches square piece of paper. First, you fold it to triangle and unfold it. Then you will make it to a kite shape. So fold one side diagonally to the center crease you just made. And do that from the both sides. Here's the opposite side. For the next step, you will do a very similar manner on the top. Let me slide a little bit this way so you can see. This two sides folded to the center crease, vertical center. Here's one done, and do the opposite side. For this design, the elephant, you will repeat left side, right side, or top side, or bottom side, or the front side, back side. You will repeat those a lot. Okay, here's the next. Pick up and flip the origami model and fold it in half from the bottom to the top. Fold it in half, make a crease, and find the open pocket. This one is closed pocket, and this side is like a door. Here it is. And inside, when you open that door, there are two opening inside. So go ahead and pull it down. Here's one side, and do that to the opposite side, left side. Pull down and squash it, crease it. And this is a fish base. If you are familiar with origami basic creasing patterns, fold the top flap to the bottom without losing any flaps you just made, and turn it over. So here's another way to look at the fish base. And now the bottom sides folded to the horizontal center crease. And you can go ahead and fold all the way, and the bottom diagonal side will be folded from the opposite side to the horizontal center crease. And unfold. Now you can see the X crease you just created. Pick it up and flip to the back side. Next, look at the X crease, the very center where it crosses, and think about just above, just a little bit, and fold to where I marked, which is a little bit above the center of X crease. And use that X crease center, that is where you pinch it down, that triangle piece. This is going to be the elephant's tail. And on the bottom, you will fold a very small part to the back. I'm just showing the rough idea of folding it to the back from the front, so it becomes like that. Go ahead and flip that because I like to make a nice, very tight crease because it's layers. So that's the next step. Come back to the back side and let's look at the X crease and horizontal center crease. Makes a center horizontal crease like a dent or a valley fold. And you will do an inside reverse fold. So you use that dent body fold and make it too flat. You kind of follow the pre-crease you have to the shape. And next, after you made it flatten, you will go for the next. In the middle, there's a triangle flap. So turn that triangle flap to the left and pick up the long side triangle up to the crease that was vertical. And then you will do one more thing for this. Do you see my pencil mark there? Just to push it there over the left side a little bit. So you kind of pass the center crease a little bit. As a result, you have almost right angle where I am marking. Almost. But actually, maybe it doesn't matter. I just wanted to pass that creasing line a little bit. And then let's do next. Next, the right triangle shape will be inside reverse fold up. And how far do you fold it? Well, here's a marking. The corner will be about the center of this long triangle you just folded up. And I'm just kind of placing all the corners and lines in a place, in the place should to be. And that little triangle is the elephant's tail. Bring the triangle flap up so your origami shape like this. It's missing front leg and ears and all that, but we will create all of that. So from the top, fold down the triangle shape was kind of sticking out to the top. Here it is, down. And you will do inside reverse fold. By following the crease you just made. And try to come right on the corner of the existing triangle or the rectangle corner. And now this is kind of tricky. I had a hard time to figure this out. So I'm gonna mark this line That is going to be the mountain fold. And you push from the bottom, and here's a little corner on the bottom layer. Start from the corner. As a result, your origami model looks like that, and you will do the same on the back side. Here's the corner. Start out from the corner this time, and another corner, and the bottom corner to make the inside reverse fold. And if you are not familiar with the inside reverse, it might be hard to follow. And if you could rewind the video again and see it, it might help, I hope. Next, top layer will be folded down, and the side will be right down to the bottom corner, and the top will start from the corner, so the corner to corner, and then again it's the same thing on the back side. Now you can see the front legs and the nose sticking out. Let's work on the front legs. It's very pointy, so I will fold the point up so that the feet looks like that on the pink elephant. After I've made a shape, I will tuck that in inside and then do the same thing on the back side. For the next step, I am just folding the tip of the front legs so the shape of the leg is like this, and next is the ears. Turn the triangle flap in the middle towards the tail and fold, tuck in a little bit the pointy ear. And do the same on the back side, the middle flap, turn to the tail side. Here it is. And make it flat. And the next is the nose, the long one, and you will open up and then fold it down. And I'm kind of pushing it down so that the shape of the head is not too far up. Let's work on the trunk. We got the ears done, and here's a trunk. I just fold it down to the bottom, to this angle, and reverse fold that. Open the bottom and push and tuck that in. And from here, we are almost done. We were just kind of adjusting the shape of each corner. So I make this trunk smaller, so I fold the corner of the trunk. And then this is very up to your eyes. And if you want to finish here, that's fine, but I'm gonna show you how to kind of round the trunk, fold to the each angle, and each angle will be reversed. And as I said, it's just some corners is pointy, so if you don't like that part, you can just fold that in, kind of hide it, so that the whole origami model look a little rounder. I think it helps. And here's your elephant.